he like just wasn't really picking his brain, not sucking with the blood, but just hanging out with him and realizing this guy is one of the smartest guys I know. And iron sharpens iron. If you're around people that are smarter than you and things like that, and they're in a different trade and they kind of help bring you up that ladder of success. And since I've met him, I never thought about going into syndication and things like that. But we got a food market that's got the breakdown right here in Villa Rica. It's all because I joined his mastermind. I'm a part of his community. He's got a group called Circle. I don't know what Vice is right now, but I joined that. I've been inside a little mastermind. I've done my first syndication. We've pretty much fully funded the thing. It's fully subscribed, and I've got $1 million payday coming out. For the next 3 to 5 years. Once this thing hits, it grows, it builds out, and the rent rolls hit. I'm doing it different than apartment syndications. I don't know. I like cool, interesting projects that just makes me jump for joy. I'm not saying that isn't multifamily for you, but I will say that I came up with something that is interesting to me. I'm a foodie. I like my family. Young families kind of sitting together, doing life together, things like that. So I came up with a model, hiring an architect. I took his deal syndicate. What's the deal mastermind syndicator? What was it called?
Syndicated deal analyzer.
Yeah, still syndicated deal analyzer. He's got an interesting spreadsheet. He does live tutorials on there. He teaches you how to use it. I model my whole business plan over this. This guy will make you millions of dollars if you jump into his stuff. I'm a living testimony. We've done that a few years ago, and it's taken me a couple of years to get this interesting concept off the ground, but it doesn't like that, Michael. It's going to make me $1 million in the next 2 years.